A slumber, burdenless. Crouchèd in a garden, where the vines snake through slats. Here I lose my burden, here my youth can elapse, while I'm elder dreaming, in the gentle gloaming, sultry young old seeming, is the creature roaming, of a mortal's mind, of a vessel's vane. With the wind unwind, soar to rarer plane. Here I find my wings, growing slowly, sheer, dragonflown inscriptions, from the pinions peer, while the spirit sings, while the demons leer, offer done inflictions, upon a paling page. Here I come of age, sleeping through the fall, drowsing through the rage, I spit out the gall. I grow hoar with frost, blonde mustachioed, with my body lost, I am gently rowed out to wondrous places, rarely ever known, by the hardened faces, in harsh sunlight shown. I can show you beauty, hidden long ago, in the dawnlight ruby, was the silken sown, grown to mountains magic, swollen to vast proportions, dwarfing midnight tragic, of the world below. Soak in strange distortions of the silvered night, while my beard slow lengthens on the other side. While they quake with fright from thin temporal, discords here subside through deep liminal. Crouchèd in a garden where gold vines snake through slats, here we lose our burden, while our short lives elapse.